Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel BeADoodler. So today I thought why not to make a doodle on theme YouTube. Yes, on the platform of YouTube I am going to upload a video on theme YouTube Doodle. I started with making the symbol of the YouTube and then I decided to make all the logos or the symbols that I can remember when I think of the YouTube. So in the starting I just make all the symbols, like of course on the platforms what people upload, what they do and everything related to it I make it. You can see in the video I have made symbols of blog, subscribe, audio, camera, laptop and everything that people do for making their YouTube channel and all the process that involve the YouTube. I basically try to highlight it in such a way so that it looks really attractive and aesthetic. If you can absorb this doodle, you will see that it's not looking like a painting, but it's looking like it is being printed. So yes, your perfection should be so good that people can't differentiate between either it's made out or it's being printed. I even mentioned the symbols or notifications, subscribe, like, profile, follow, share, recommend and everything, which you can clearly observe in the video. I either make the symbols by my own or some I have taken with the help of Google. As if particularly I choose a camera, so what kind of different images of the camera that I can make which really look attractive. So you can clearly see how I just completed my painting and I have tried to make each and everything that is related to YouTube. Like this, you can also make your doodle artwork like on YouTube or any other platform or any desired topic. So yes, this is today's artwork. So you tell me what you think about this artwork, and yes, you can watch more videos on my channel which are really attractive and you can learn about various type of skills. So yes, thanks for watching.